Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Let me put that up. I am here to do an unbagging of a new to me company that I've never heard of. They're called Sevengreat, and they have cross stitching. It's a cross stitch blah 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 cross stitching company. So I'm gonna get to the unbagging for y'all and show y'all what I got. So I got a cross stitch of this pattern. I guess you call it a pattern. I don't know what you call it. It's a cross stitch. The size, it's a DIY cross stitch. And let me see. Let me open it and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like and give y'all more information. I think it's a 40 by 50 if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to show y'all all the pretty colors. So this is the, yep, it's a 40 by 50 cross stitch pattern. And these are the colors. This is the thumbnail. And these are the colors and symbols on the left-hand side of the page. No, backwards. Well, I'm sorry, it's the right-hand side. Is it? Yeah, it's the right-hand side. It's backwards, duh. The right-hand side of the page has a thumbnail and all the colors and the color codes and the symbols. And yeah, of course, y'all know this is the DMC codes to those colors. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, and I'm going to show y'all the canvas itself and the colors of the thread, or embroidery thread, or whatever you want to call it, cross stitch thread. Okay, first I'm going to show y'all the canvas. It's all stuck. Oh, it's a count. It's not a stamped. So I thought it was a stamped, and it's not. It's a counted canvas. So you're not going to see nothing right here. You have to count it, and I'm glad that I do not know how to do these. I'm not going to lie. So it's a 40 by 50 centimeter and 129 by 173. I don't know if that's centimeters or what, because it doesn't say right here. So, but it's a 40 by 50. So whoever, if y'all know more, I don't know much about, I know the stamped. I just don't know the not stamped. So my guess is I'm going to show y'all the colors. That's what I'm going to do. So this is the first color. It's, let's see. I'm going to tell y'all what the color is. And it's DMC code 154. DMC color 154. Look how pretty. That's pretty. This one is 317. It's a gray. I'm not going to go through them all, but this one's a 320. Number 3 is a 326. 326. So it's like a pinkish, a pink. And so I'm not going to go through them all, but these are all the pretty colors that they have in this, on this card. So these are the colors. Y'all know I'm not, I don't know much about cross stitching. I do them, but not the ones that are not stamped. I don't do those. But look how pretty those colors are. So pretty. It's going to look good on that canvas. It's fall colors for sure. Look at all those fall colors. So pretty. It's pretty colors. I love them, those colors. I'll probably, so again, this is what the pattern looks like. And it is counted. I thought it was stamped, but it's not. Usually if it's stamped on the canvas, and this one's not. So if you're familiar with that, kudos to you. But that's the pattern. So I'm going to leave everything linked in the description portion of this video. And if you're interested, click on the link and it'll take you to the website and this painting. So again, if you're interested, just click on the link. I'll show it to you again. That's what it'll look like when it's complete. And thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.